Hey guys, real quick, just going to show you a couple ways to find harmonics in some of the lower time frames. You're going to want to look at for important pullback structure zones after breakouts or into 618 or important structures. Again, this one worked perfect because of this moving average that we're using right here. You guys can probably figure it out by just looking on here. So again, we have a breakout from this triangular pattern. Puts in a nice XA wave, pull back to 618, pop up to 382 of AB, and we have a 786 touch it at D leg. And what do we have there, guys? Note, what is this right here? Very important. What is this right here? It doesn't get any more important than trigger, guys. Remember it. All right? Remember what I just showed you. They sell, they buy this, they break it out. Retail starts buying, they dump it on them. They start buying it again. Retail thinks it's going to go. They scare them, drop it back down. That's why this is really based off human psychology, fear and greed. So FOMO, fear of missing the move, people will buy into late, and then they drop it on them. And then basically, smart money gets really, really cheap prices. This is really good prices right here. Again, stop loss gets moved to break even immediately. We're already 1-to-1 risk to reward. If you just use range boxes, you guys can see how I do that. I've done it so many times. But basically, when you get these consolidation zones, you just want to triangle those off too. I like to anyway. You'll see those a lot of my triggers. I'll have those triangled off, and at the end there's that inside bar, and then you have bang out, move your stop loss to even, and then try to get your TP1. You guys already know. TP2, TP3. I still think that gold takes one more test up here. All right, now same thing in oil, guys. Check this out. High tight flag in oil, same moving average, same pullback, triangular pattern. What do we have? Can you guys see it? It takes a while to be able to see them, but once you do, they're money right into our moving average. There's two triggers on this one. The second trigger is right here. I could show you. Bang. Look at this. I don't know what else you can ask for. I mean, risk to reward wise, totally money. Just a couple trades. I get a lot of questions on how you still can use harmonics without deep pullbacks and higher time frames. And guys, they happen in all time frames. The lower time frame ones, you just really want to get your stop loss to break even and get to that. I even take profit even before, a little bit before the TP1. But they work in all time frames. They work all the time. You'll see them all over the place. The trick is to be able to put them together. That's the real trick. Once you can put them together and do it consistently, that's where you start to see the big money come in. That's kind of what you want to do. Really, risk-free trades is the name of the game. I have 5-6 open trades right now. 70, 60, 80% of my profit booked. Stop loss is all in profit and just letting them ride. So the name of the game, guys, just shooting for those higher targets. We're looking for these take profit 2, 3. Once you can get those, man, it's the name of the game. Another thing I'm just watching right now, which I think they jumped with any guy. Okay, so they might happen. There's this VIX pattern, guys, just just be careful of this one for longs. This could happen. Again, this is one of those ones that's a little bit harder to see, but it is here. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry. Can you see it? These ones are hard to see. But man, if this thing goes off, it's going to be wicked. Know your levels, guys. I already posted this pattern. I get a lot of people that say you don't share stuff in real time and you get a lot of updates. I update a lot of stuff because I post it in real time. Nobody listens. You got to pay attention when I post the ones, and don't buy stuff when I post an update or say I'm long this. Look where the trigger is. Look where I'm long from. If I'm long from 130 and you're buying at 145, there's something is wrong. Okay. The trigger on this is 1563. You should really feather your order into this, or layer it, whatever you want to call it, 1570, 1575, if you're interested in this play. As far as, I play this with VIX options, or you can protect long positions with this, or you can start looking at short positions in what you guys already know, NQ or ES. And of course, I still think we head higher. Well, there's always this. I posted this one before too. Like even this one, I tried to. I did short this because I had a VIX fall on it. But again, I'm taking profit of this thing, and people are saying, "Well, it bounced and this and that." I'm shorting it up here. I'm posting it down here because I have people that take my trades. I can't be posting it in real time when they're paying for them. But I like to show what's possible with Harmonics. Obviously, that's why you'll see me post a lot of them. But this one had, had harmonics the whole way down. If you look at it, they're everywhere. I'm just doing for you real quick while we're on here. I did them in another video too. This one right here. Oh, sorry. Use that one. Yeah, guys. I posted this one. I think I posted this one. And again, we went long right here on this one. The name of the game is to be able to put these together, and once you can put them together, like my mentor said, the market is your ATM. That's the name of the game, guys. Get these kind of gains. 1,000 points. That's something to brag about when you can get these drops. That's something you want to be talking about. If you can do that, if you can notify and see these in real time and trade them, I think that's something that's pretty cool. Patterns everywhere, points everywhere. Just something to consider, guys.